The Aeropress, one of the easiest, quickest, and most forgiving ways of making coffee. This is Coffee in My Veins with a quick and easy tutorial for two types of Aeropress brews. We'll start by grabbing a paper filter and wetting it. Screw the filter cap onto the bottom chamber. I've ground my coffee to a fine medium consistency for this brew. Fine medium is the sweet spot, as extra fine will make it too hard to press the plunger, and extra coarse will let the water drip down too quickly. I've ground up to the 1 mark on my grinder, which is roughly 12 to 14 grams. I purposely did not take an exact measurement, since many of you will be probably using the Aeropress scoop, which is also around 12 to 14 grams. Give the chamber a little shake to even out the grounds. For this brew, I'll add water up to the 1 mark. You can see there are more marks, but for this brew, I'm just going to use the 1 mark. This will get you a concentrated shot that you can either drink straight, top up with milk for a latte style drink, or add some more water and dilute. Pour in your water and give it a stir for 7 to 10 seconds. And then place the plunger on top and start plunging. Try to plunge at a consistent pace, and use a flat bottom mug as I am using, otherwise it can tip over. Some folks say that you need to plunge for a whole minute, but in my experience it does not really matter, and it's very difficult to plunge so consistently for such a long time. Just go naturally and plunge down slowly and consistently. You can see the shot of coffee here. I'll top this off with some water. The result is an incredibly sweet and satisfying cup of coffee. This method produces some of the sweetest coffee I've ever had. To clean up, unscrew the cap and pull the chamber down. Throw out the puck, rinse off the rubber top, and you're good to go. Now for a second brew. We start the same way by wetting the filter, and I'm using more or less the same amount of. This time, I'll pour up to the 3 mark. You can also pour up to 4 if you want a stronger tasting coffee. If you're using the Aeropress Go, that only has the 3 mark, it doesn't have the 4 mark. The brewing process is the exact same, from the pour to the stir. Adding more water results in a stronger and larger cup of black coffee. Since we diluted the shot in the first brew, we ended up with a sweet tasting cup. If you want something with more of an acidic kick, add more water. I found that adding water to the 3 mark is just enough to fill up a small mug and enjoy. These two methods are incredibly easy and forgiving, and you'll end up with a good tasting cup even if you're not too exact in your measurements. The Aeropress is very versatile, and there are many advanced recipes too, which I'll cover in another video. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and check out the blog at coffeeinmyveins.com.